Hi, I'm Brian Rickey from Circle Arboriculture, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our company. We perform environmental services using innovative solutions and a collaborative approach. Our team works in various locations around the Bay of Plenty and beyond. We work in both urban and rural areas and tailor the project to the needs of our clients. We partner with and work alongside world-class professionals. Many of our jobs are in stunning locations. The views from our office are outstanding. Our team is awesome. We look after each other. Every day brings new challenges, but the solution may just be around the corner.